approach you and they want you to be a part of it?
Poker is a very challenging game. I've always wanted to play poker. I think I'm going to learn a bit of poker here now. And I'm very, very happy to be here because it's not just anymore a small platform. Like poker is becoming like a national sport. I mean, there are people who were becoming prominent personalities. मुझे मालूम है कि मैंने अभी कुछ दिनों पहले एक gentleman थे जो poker में I think he created history in India. He won a huge amount of money playing online poker. And it's not just time pass for all the people who think it's an easy way of making money. It's not an easy way of making money. It's a game which you have to understand the game to get into it. So please, all those people who think that poker is equal to gambling, this is not gambling. This is talent. You need to understand the game to make money. So Navneet, मेरे दोस्त उन्होंने एक पोकर लाइन ऑनलाइन गेमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म आज लॉन्च किया है और अच्छी बात ये भी है कि इन्होंने MIPL यानी कि पोकर लीग भी हो रहा है, सीजन 2 हो रहा है जिसमें गोवा लायंस इनकी टीम है जो पार्टिसिपेट करेगी और आज मैं इन्हें समर्थन करने के लिए जस्ट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, जस्ट टू बी विद देम.
Okay, Navneet, what was his reaction the moment you asked him to be here? You know, Rajiv is very choosy, whether it's slim or whether it's even or whether it's flat.
So when I spoke to Mr. Rajiv, he said it's a wonderful thought and he would really like to promote poker as a sport, which has been looked as a little sort of gambling kind of a game, which he wanted because it's a game with a lot of skills required. So he thought that this is something which he should promote, and the youth of India is coming towards the online platform as we see a lot of internet penetration happening and a lot of people are using mobile games for their phones. I think poker is something which will grow and boom in the years to come. So I have got full support from him and he congratulated me for my launch of Poker Lion and Goa Lion.
Okay, but Navneet,
Rajiv, what are the 3 things you look into? So apart from being a friend to somebody, when you associate yourself with any friend.
Yeah, I think if I can actually educate people about this. मुझे मालूम है बहुत से लोग ये समझते हैं जो मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ बहुत से लोग समझते हैं कि पोकर एक गैम्बलिंग होता है, कैसे में जाओ पोकर खेलेंगे. पर जैसे कि अभी नवीन ने बताया कि इसमें स्किल की ज़रूरत है, तो बहुत से लोग जो मिसगाइडेड भी होते हैं, I want them to know that this is a serious gaming platform. जैसे चेस में स्किल चाहिए होते हैं वैसे पोकर में स्किल चाहिए होते हैं. So yeah, this is a mind sport completely. So I want people to whoever is inclined to it, जिनमें talent है, to be aware of it and then of course go after it. I mean that's your world, that's your game, that's your talent.
Okay, Rajiv, आपने खेला है पोकर?
मैंने कहा बहुत स्किल चाहिए होती है इस game.
You are saying something about mind.
Yeah, it is a mind sport. It's a mind sport. So the whole mentality about poker is changing. Earlier सबको लगता था कि anything to do with cards is gambling, and it was a big taboo. Like a lot of people wouldn't accept it in public. The fact that they play a card game. But now poker is becoming such a trend and such a hot trend right now that people take pride in playing poker. It's a mind sport. It needs a lot of, like you fully mentioned, it needs a lot of talent. It needs a different style, practice, yes, and experience makes you perfect. So even if I have a very bad hand, I could bluff somebody or try reader's game. So there's a lot of probability. So you need to put everything into a game, and that's when you can actually be a perfect.
Okay, do you know this? Raj Kumar is also coming to poker league, and
we are a part of the MIPL. So Mr. Raj Kumar initiated the MIPL last year. Last year was season 1. And currently now we've just launched our own team. It's called Goa Lions. We're a part of the team and I'm actually, hopefully I'll be playing in the team too, so I'm damn excited about that.
Okay Rajiv, apart from this, what's happening on the professional front?
But in the front now you will see me more, I mean as compared to last year. मैंने अभी काम करना शुरू कर दिया है, मैं बहुत कम काम करता हूँ. पिछले साल मैं बहुत शांत बैठा था, इस साल से onward you start seeing a couple of films, you see some web series and then you will see something very exciting which is not on just the domestic level but will be on a different level.
It means you're conveying you'll be participating in some Hollywood flick. You said it.